Chapter number 3, Coordinate Geometry. The first topic in this chapter is ordered pair. What is the ordered pair? An ordered pair A, B is the pair of numbers A, B written in a specific order, with A at the first place and B at the second place. A, B is different from B, A. This A, B is called the ordered pair, and here A should be on the first position and B on the second position. You cannot change its order. If you change the order, that ordered pair means B, A. This ordered pair will show the different position in the plane of a point. Fine. You see the example, then you will get the concept more clearly. These dots are showing the seats in a particular classroom. Vertical seats are represented by column C1. These vertical seats are represented by column C2. Similarly, these by C3. Similarly, these by C4. Similarly, these by C5. C4 column here. And these horizontal seats are represented by R1, R2, R3 and R4. R for row here. If I am asking you the position of this point, this seat, then the position of this seat is represented by an ordered pair 2, 3. Here we have taken first number from row side. Which row is this? Second row. That's why we have taken 2 here. And second number we have taken from the column side. Since this is the third column, that's why we have written here 3. So this seat is represented by ordered pair 2, 3. Fine. Similarly, if you see the 3, 2 ordered pair, this 3, 2 is showing the position of this seat. Since we have taken first of all, we have taken in this ordered pair on the first position number 3 from the row side, because this is the third row. And second number which we have taken, that we have taken from the column side, and that is second column. That's why we have taken 2. Fine. So this 3, 2 is position of this seat, and this 2, 3 is the position of this seat. Now I hope you understand this ordered pair is different from this ordered pair, because as soon as you change the order of this ordered pair, the position of the seat changes. Fine. And the application, or we can say the use of the ordered pair, is basically to represent the position of any point or location of any point in the plane. Fine. That's why I have taught you the ordered pair. Now you will further study the coordinate geometry, definitions and its applications. Fine. Thank you.